Wow, this is a super cool way of restoring your images that you've totally deleted or you've totally forgotten about in your Android. And this is for only Android users and not for iOS users. Using the app called Restore Image, and you don't even need to root your phone. You don't even need to install a third app to make use of it. It's absolutely free. It's absolutely free. Let's jump into the app. Okay, looking at the interface of the app, we just have the three basics, which is search the image you want to restore, restore the image, donate, and tip for the developer. Okay, and what we want to actually do is to restore deleted images that have been deleted permanently. Click on search the image you want to restore, and automatically, if you look down here, you will notice that it has started reading the images. Alright, now it's done with the search. All you have to do is to select one of the thumbnails in search of the picture that you want to restore. Let's say we'll click on this one. If I select any one, you will notice down below restore one images. Select another one, you will also notice restore two images. Select, so the number of images you select in each thumbnail you can easily restore. Once you click on restore 4 images, to automatically restore the image for you. Now you see 4 images were restored. Now that's it, guys, how to make use of restore images app just for Android only. And hope you like this video. Share, subscribe, only on Softget.